We're calling you out.
Can you hear it?
In the heart of Oakland, a remix movement is rising. Hip Hop for Change is more than just a nonprofit. It's a revolution that's remixing education and community.
In cities like Oakland and across the country, too many of our youth face an uphill battle. Underfunded schools, high suspension rates, and systemic inequities have left many behind.
More and more students are losing support, losing resources, and losing interest in their own learning. But we're here to remix that story. Through the power of hip-hop, we're transforming classrooms into spaces of creativity and empowerment.
Through our school assemblies, workshops, and community events, we're taking back the culture and putting it where it belongs, in the hands of the people.
Instead of fighting ops, we're finding opportunity. Instead of pipelines to prison, we're creating pipelines to positivity. We do this by providing hands-on programming in schools, kindergarten through 12th grade, local artist mentorships, lessons, and activities that resonate with our youth.
The result? Higher education rates, college enrollment, and entrepreneurship, sparking the brains of young leaders who are ready to change the world. Join us in making a difference.
Support Hip Hop for Change. Join our donor community and help spark the brains that will change the world.
Hip Hop for Change. Remix yourself. Educate, elevate, and empower.